Today I'll be ranking every kind of cookie tier list. Now, warning, I might not know most of these. So, you might getting at me if you want. Let's start. Yeah, I don't know what is this. Alright, this. Bro. I wish to have these again. Now, please know I don't know most of these, by the way. Alright. Okay, but I prefer the chili Chips Ahoy more. Speaking of that, that's going in S tier. Above, like, you know what, below. However, it's S tier still. Chocolate chip cookies, those are S tier. Above, like, yeah, I don't think anything could beat the chocolate chip cookies. Also, warning, this tier list might make people mad. Yeah, I don't notice. Golden Oreo, yeah, S tier. Actually, I'm looking to eat one right now after I record the video. I don't know this one. I don't know this one. Well, I don't know most of these anyway, so I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm running out. I don't know. These ones are like I don't remember these. Alright, so I tried like one of things. I'm gonna give this A tier. It's literally Oreo but with added stuff. But it still tastes like Oreos. Speaking of Oreos, you know what? Yo, why don't you go up there too? Anyways. Oh, okay. Next one. Alright, next cookie, which I think it might be the most controversial one here. Now, it's, wait, what's it called? Oh, it's frosted sugar cookies. Now, this might be a very controversial opinion, but to be honest, it's going at S tier, even though it's named Smash. The only reason why I'm gonna put it here. The reason why it's below Oreo and baked chocolate chips is because these three are just too good. And that might be the last one to rank, by the way, for me. All of them that I tried are really good. Oh wait, I'm gonna have to move this one down. Alright, so that's all for this tier list. Time to move on to another tier list.